It's okay.
So now we have church, we have BOS and BOS. So now, before you look for entry, you have to look for first thing first, imbalance. Do you see any imbalance where market failed to give you, failed to come and fill the gap and just move? Is there any imbalance?
Yes, look, there's imbalance here.
Okay, first thing, remove this your buy position, remove it and this other block.
Okay.
Remove it. Remove them.
Should I remove this
Let's
other block?
yeah, remove it. Let's start fresh. Remove it.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Just remove it. Remove the other block, the liquidity. Let's start fresh.
Hello?
Yeah, continue. Just remove the other block.
Okay.
Okay. So now you have to go down to lower time frame to look for a retracement where you think the market will come and tap you in. So now on this 4 hour, there's no clean good order block that will give you entry. That one that you mark is at the top, and the market is not retracing now. It is still going off. So you can't jump in when market is going up. You can't just jump and join the buy like that. Now come to 1 hour. Scale down to 1 hour. Come to 1 hour. 1 hour.
Oh,
H1. Come in. Let me show you. Let me share the screen. Stop sharing. Let me do it. Let me show you. Stop sharing. Can you see my screen?
yes, sir.
So let me show you something. Let's go to spot USD JPY. That your analysis that you're doing. Let's look at 4 hours. So now you see the way. Can you see the way I starting my chart so that I can see everything from back. So first thing first, you have to know which time frame you are going. What is your time frame? As you can see, market has been bullish. Info correction. Let me show you. So you can call this uptrend on that your USD JPY. Sorry. So this is uptrend, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
now let's mark our first church. Where exactly does market start forming church? But start changing character. We have so many church, but let's take a look at this current market structure. So first thing we'll start with this first one. We have a small church, but let me take this as a church. This is our first church, and we have a BOS break of structure. We have another BOS here, break of structure. So now let's see where we can take our buy position based on this structure. Let's go down to for 1 hour and see where there is some. We need to see a gap, very big gap, so that we can see it clearly. All these things that we are seeing, I'm not seeing any clean, fresh imbalance from all these charts that you are showing me now. I'm not seeing any clean, fresh imbalance. But let me come to 45 minutes. Still nothing, honestly. Let me go 30 minutes. Okay, all these things that are not clean imbalances. Let's go back to our 4 hours and see what how far. Let's maximize the chart. Okay, so that way, the way you adjust do it the way you do it. But let me show you something. First thing first, can you see here? This zone is your first church, not that one that you show. I just do it the way you do it because we do not see any imbalance. This one that you see is the first church, this thing, and this one is the second BOS. You can't count this one as a church. You have to, because you open your chart like that, you have to zoom out. If you do it like this, you see it incorrectly. You have to zoom out very well, so that if I tell you to draw a trend line, you float your trend line from here. You see the trend line has moved up, correctly moved, come out clearly. Right? See this trend line. So the way you float it, you start from here, it's not clean. That is why when you send me that chart, I ask you to send me your H4 church. So this is the overall high that market have and failed to create another BOS. From here, if you notice, market stop going off. It starts selling. Can you see? From here, this one, this range here. This is the first thing that changes the market from buy to selling. So it starts selling here and then start going off again. So this is your first church, not the other one. You have to look from the origin of the first church. So this is your first church, and this is your second BOS. When you have church, you can wait for another BOS. This is BOS. So now we have clean church, we have BOS. So now let me see this thing. Do we have a BOS here? No, we don't have another BOS there yet, because market this candle do not close on our 4 hours, and we don't know whether it will close bullish or just smell down. So we have two confirmation now. We only have church and BOS. So that way you really know that market is going up. All these things that you are seeing are internal market structure. I'll come and show you. All these things are internal. You see them? All these are just small move from another time frame, that 1 hour or 30 minutes. They are just minor move. You can't count them. So we have church, we have BOS. So now let's look for clean imbalance where price do not have and leave a gap. From here to here, there is no clean gap.